Passionflower. Hello and welcome to our video on passionflower. Passionflower is a beautiful and unique flowering plant native to the United States. It is known for its vibrant, fragrant flowers and delicious, tropical-tasting fruit. In this video, we will take a closer look at the history, medicinal uses, and cultivation of passionflower. We will also discuss some of the potential health benefits of this plant and share some creative ideas for using it in your cooking and home remedies. So sit back, relax, and let's learn more about this fascinating plant. What is passionflower? Passionflower, Passiflora incarnata, is a flowering plant native to the United States. It is a climbing vine that is known for its beautiful, fragrant flowers, which are typically purple or white and have distinctive, intricately shaped petals. Passionflower has a long history of use in traditional medicine and is believed to have a number of potential health benefits. It is commonly used to treat anxiety, insomnia, and other sleep disorders, as well as pain and inflammation. Some people also use passionflower to help with symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) and menopause. It is generally considered safe when taken in recommended doses, but it can cause side effects in some people, such as dizziness and drowsiness. It is important to speak with a healthcare provider before taking passionflower or any other supplement. What are the uses of passionflower? Passionflower is commonly used for a variety of conditions, including anxiety. Passionflower is thought to have a calming effect and is sometimes used as a natural treatment for anxiety. Insomnia and other sleep disorders. Passionflower may help improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Pain and inflammation. Some research suggests that passionflower may help reduce inflammation and pain in the body. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD). Passionflower may help improve symptoms of ADHD, such as inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Menopause. Passionflower may help reduce hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms. Passionflower is also sometimes used to treat other conditions, such as asthma, high blood pressure, and withdrawal from alcohol and other drugs, but there is limited scientific evidence to support these uses. It is important to speak with a healthcare provider before taking passionflower or any other supplement. When do you find and harvest passionflower? Passionflower plants typically bloom in the summer and fall, and the flowers can be harvested at this time. To harvest the flowers, gently snap them off the vine using your fingers or a pair of scissors. Be sure to leave some flowers on the plant to allow it to continue blooming and producing fruit. Passionflower fruit, also known as maypops, can be harvested when they are fully ripe and have turned a deep yellow or orange color. To harvest the fruit, gently twist it off the vine using your fingers. The fruit can be eaten fresh or used to make jams, jellies, and other preserved foods. It is generally best to harvest passionflower in the morning, after the dew has dried but before the heat of the day sets in. This will help ensure that the flowers and fruit are at their freshest and most flavorful. How to propagate passionflower? There are several methods for propagating passionflower, including seed, stem cuttings, and layering. 1. Seed. Passionflower seeds can be collected from fully ripe maypop fruit. Rinse the seeds and allow them to dry on a paper towel for a few days. Then, plant the seeds in a seed tray or pots filled with a well-draining seed compost. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost or vermiculite, and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. The seeds should germinate in 7 to 14 days at a temperature of 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 24 degrees Celsius. When the seedlings are large enough to handle, transplant them into pots or into the garden. 2. Stem cuttings. Passionflower can also be propagated from stem cuttings. Take a 4 to 6 inch cutting from a healthy, non-flowering stem and remove the lower leaves. Dip the cut end of the stem in rooting hormone, and plant it in a pot filled with a well-draining soil mix. Water the soil and cover the pot with a plastic bag to create a humid environment. Keep the soil moist, and the cutting should root within a few weeks. 3. Layering. To propagate passionflower through layering, bend a stem down to the ground and cover it with soil, leaving the tip of the stem exposed. The stem will eventually root where it touches the ground, and you can then cut it off from the parent plant and transplant it to a new location. Regardless of the method you choose, it is important to keep the soil consistently moist and to provide plenty of sunlight to help the passionflower plants thrive. What are the medicinal benefits of passionflower? Passionflower is a plant that has a long history of use in traditional medicine, and is believed to have a number of potential health benefits. Some of the medicinal uses of passionflower include reducing anxiety. Passionflower is thought to have a calming effect and is often used as a natural treatment for anxiety. It may help to reduce symptoms such as nervousness, restlessness, and racing thoughts. Improving sleep. Passionflower may help improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, making it a useful natural remedy for insomnia and other sleep disorders. Reducing pain and inflammation. Some research suggests that passionflower may help reduce inflammation and pain in the body, making it a potential natural treatment for conditions such as arthritis and headaches. Improving symptoms of ADHD. Passionflower may help improve symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD), such as inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Reducing menopausal symptoms. Passionflower may help reduce hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms,